M&A Accounting will give you the skill set and comfort to understand some key lines that pertain to investments that corporations make. During this session, we'll explain that there are a variety of degrees of investment businesses make, from the smallest and least serious to 3% of a business, to larger, more influential stakes, maybe 15, 20%, to controlling stakes in businesses, that is more than 50%. We'll learn that accountants treat these investments in very different ways in terms of the income statement, balance sheet, and cash flow. The goal of the session is that you'll be able to understand, from both a forecast modeling and a valuation perspective, how consolidation works and how the key line items of equity affiliate, equity associate, NCI, and goodwill can be analysed and forecasted. Thank you.